Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WordPress and customize with Elementor detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in your WordPress site URL followed by /wp-admin. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be taken to the WordPress login page. Enter your username or email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click the Login button to access your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to find the Plugins option. Click on Plugins to expand the menu. Select Add New from the sub-options that appear. In the search bar, type Elementor. Look for the Elementor Website Builder plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to Elementor. After installation, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Once Elementor is activated, go back to the dashboard. Navigate to the Pages section in the sidebar. Click on Add New to create a new page or select an existing page to edit. If creating a new page, give it a title. Look for the Edit with Elementor button and click it. You will be redirected to the Elementor editor. The Elementor interface will open, showing various design elements on the left side. Choose a section layout by clicking on the plus icon. Drag and drop widgets from the left panel onto your canvas. You can customize each widget by clicking on it, adjusting settings in the left panel. To change the background color, right-click on the section, select Section Settings, and choose a color. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click the Update button at the bottom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.